Bracknell Forest Council has been responding to COVID-19 with more than 1,000 staff working from home every day to ensure vital services to residents continue. Additionally, a number of our frontline staff, including domiciliary carers, occupational therapists and social workers, have been working in the community to ensure our most vulnerable residents can still safely get the support and care they need. We also have a duty to ensure the borough remains safe, secure and pleasant. So a number of our more routine services like road maintenance and grass cutting have been out working within social distancing guidelines. This will also help us to recover as quickly as possible from the crisis. We've also reassigned some staff so that our most critical services can continue. Our teams have also been reaching out to residents to ensure that they remain safe and healthy at home. This includes helping people to look after their mental health as well as physical health. We've been helping the borough's most vulnerable residents since March. We developed a community response hub in partnership with Healthwatch Bracknell Forest and Involve Community Services. Staff and volunteers have helped to deliver food packages and prescriptions to vulnerable people right across the borough. The council has called more than 1,000 residents who are medically vulnerable or shielding to make sure that they have the support they need. This support will continue for all those who need it. The Council's approach to dealing with the pandemic has included following national guidance and decisions, activating our business continuity plans so that essential services can continue, and closing all services that can't practice social distancing, including our libraries, youth centres and children's centres. We're now also actively looking at how the borough can recover from this and what our new normal might look like in the short term and in the long term. We will, of course, support our residents every step of the way. We've already contacted 600 people who are locally identified by the NHS at being at the greatest at risk to see what support our army of volunteers can provide. However, if you're either being shielded, self-isolating, or living with someone who is being shielded and you don't have support available from friends or family, then we can help. Contact our partners at Healthwatch. Phone them on 01344 266 911 between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. or email community@healthwatchbracknellforest.co.uk, and Healthwatch Bracknell Forest is all one word. I'm immensely proud of the Bracknell Forest community as we work together during this pandemic. The number of people who've come forward to volunteer has been astounding. We have an army of more than 1,800 people giving up their time to help others who need our support. I'm also thankful to everyone in our community who has been helping their own family and friends with essential tasks like picking up food and medication. I'd like to thank our partners at Healthwatch and Involve for making the community hub a success. Together, we're ensuring that those who need support at this unprecedented time can get what they need when they need it. I'd like to thank each and every person in our community who is working on the front line. Your determination, resilience and dedication is truly humbling. You're the true heroes of the pandemic, and on behalf of our residents, I thank you all for what you're doing and all that you're sacrificing. I'd also like to thank our key workers. those working behind the scenes to support frontline workers who have also been working round the clock to keep our borough going. The best thing to do to help reduce the spread of coronavirus is to stay at home unless you have to go out for essentials like food, medicines, medical appointments or work, but only if you can't work from home. Catch up with friends and family via social media or other apps so to reduce the risk of catching the virus or spreading it to your loved ones. If you're going out for exercise, please help us to contain the virus by ensuring that you keep 2 meters away from others that are not in your household at all times. Please only drive for essential reasons and don't park inappropriately near car parks that are closed. You can do simple things to help our community, like checking in on vulnerable friends and neighbours that you know, offering to pick up food or medicines for them, to walk their dogs or take their bins out. You can also volunteer officially through the Community Response Hub to help those who are shielding or self-isolating and don't have nearby friends or family to support them. Together, if we stick to the government's instructions and continue to pull together as a community, we will beat this. Please stay home and save lives. If you need to contact the council, or if you need support regarding any of our services, please get in touch. We're still very much open for business and we're here to support you. There's information on our website on everything from how to report missed bin collections to getting support for drug or alcohol addiction. Our customer services team has handled more than 14,000 enquiries by phone, email and online since the government's restrictions started in late March. They've also made more than 1,000 outbound calls to our medically vulnerable residents or those who are shielding, and continue to make calls to this group to help them with support at this difficult time. We also have 1,000 members of staff working at home, so we can continue to help residents. We would, however, ask that you only visit our Times Square offices in an absolute emergency, so that we can limit the risk of spreading coronavirus and help you and our staff to stay safe.